What is up, guys? It is me, Moto Mark here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel and my video. And I'm on my way to Angeles Forest. I'm riding the number 2 north right now. I'm gonna get up there, charge up my bike, probably get a hot chocolate because it's a little cold and chilly out here. And then I'm gonna go right up into the hills. I'm gonna try to make it back out to Newcombs Ranch. And yeah, I'll see you at the charge station, guys. Woo, look at the clouds. Look how the clouds are just hovering in between there. Whoa, that's so weird looking. That is so weird. So I have pulled up to my first charging stop. And time to charge up. Made it here with 42%. I left my house with 70% and I did all highway here. Shows I have 32.5 mile range, which is more than enough for me to get up to, let's see how far Newcombs Ranch is. Yeah, it's 27 miles, but you know what? We're gonna charge him up anyway, so I can go get hot chocolate and be a happy camper. Let's activate this charge point station. Tap your phone right there, and then there we go. It unlocked, and gotta be careful because it looks like moisture is on this. I don't know what that can do to it, but there we go. Charging right now. I don't know. This bothers me, so I'm gonna fix it. I don't know what it is. Ugh, so wet. There we go, all fixed now. So I'm gonna go ahead, take my helmet off, lock it up, walk to 7-Eleven, get a hot chocolate, and start my day. Gotta switch off to my GoPro. From my helmet camera to my actual camera. And I am just gonna go walk over, get some hot chocolate, come back. By then I should have about at least 20% more battery, and then I really don't need to charge it all the way. I usually charge it to like 80, and then I just get up there and come back and I'm fine. So I'm gonna go head to 7-Eleven right now. Nothing like mountainy area and hot chocolate. So I just recorded and edited my video about my mods that I've done to my Zero DSR. I have 11 more minutes to go. By the time this is finished, the video should be uploaded. And yeah. I just thought I might as well wait here, let it charge to 100% since there's only 11 more minutes. Oh, so I'm starting to head into Angeles Forest area. You can see it kind of just changes, starts looking way different. It's super fun. The roads are twisty up here, but it is beautiful up in these mountains, man. It does snow up here. So there we go, Angeles Forest. Boom. Big old sign everybody takes a video of or a picture of. And right now I'm riding up to Newcombs Ranch. The last time I did it was when I first got my Zero DSR, and that was quite some time ago. So this is gonna be interesting and kind of fun. Look at this bicyclist, older person too. Staying fit, man. That's what you gotta do out here. Don't get left behind and get all fat and stuff. Woo-wee. The good thing about this bike is that I can comfortably ride this thing the 39 miles to Palmdale from here. And right now I'm actually going up in elevation, so it kind of will affect the range, but not too much. And it doesn't look like we have a high chance of fire, so I won't get stranded in fire up here. I mean, look at this view, you guys. Hey, look at this. This is why you ride up here, man. twisty roads, beautiful views to distract you so you can fly off the road. That's what it is about. Found an off-road area. See where this goes. Usually you don't get to see this type of stuff often. It's only for street legal vehicles, which mine is. All my stuff is rattling in my trunk. See where this is going. Woo-wee. Ruts or something else. Yeah, those ruts are a little bit too big. Let's do it anyway. Let's do it anyway. Let's try to avoid the ruts. Someone's car was digging in here. Ooh-wee, look how big those ruts are. Ooh, let's go in between. Ooh. I'll stop off right here. This is kind of cool. Good ride off-road here. I love it. Not a good spot. The dirt is kind of hard packed. Go back where I was at. Look at that rut though. And it's so easy to off-road at 0 DSR though. Like, it's like no problem. I'll stop right here. Take a little video. DSR is perfect for these trails here. If I was smart, I would have turned off my ABS before I went down. And there's the road right there. Yeah, you gotta have these adventures, man. Stuff that I can do solo dolo, rolling by myself. Hey, look at this dirt though, it's all white. I like they have street legal off-roading here. It's not so far away. Street legal only. Street legal only, no ATVs or dirt bikes, but my bike is street legal, so. And there's the road. So we're about to pull up to the world's famous Newcombs Ranch.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
There you go, quarter mile. In a quarter mile, my destination will be on the left. I can imagine a big old bear just running through here. is Newcombs Ranch. Newcombs Ranch, and let's see, I have enough range to go to Big Pine and even Wrightwood. 33 mile range at 46.2 mile range. So if I wanted to go out there, I really could, no problem. But now since I'm at Newcombs Ranch, I am going to go to, I'm about to go to, it's time to go to check out that campground. There's like a motorcycle hangout spot right here, up in the mountains. One thing that I can say, it's very windy up here. And it's kind of strange because with all the wind in the trees, it sounds like water running. It's interesting. Kind of spooky, if I may say. But it's nice. I'm telling you, if you guys ever want to know... Let me close this because it's kind of windy out there. If you guys want to know how to ride the DSR, this is how you ride it. You pretty much go where you think you can't go. And just do it. Because I'm all the way up in the mountains where I would not even think that, you know, I would ever be able to make it. My supermotos would not be able to make it up here, trust me. And not only that, I'm exploring, like, it's no problem. And another thing to take a look at is that when you're riding this type of bike, where it's electric and it has Regen and all this stuff, you could ride it places that, you know, you could not ride it. Like I could literally come, because this is all up mountain and stuff that I'm riding. The cool thing about this is that, you know, I'm up in the mountains. To go back home is not going to take too much electricity, because I'm just going to go downhill, so I'm going to be using mostly Regen. That makes sense to you, to get back home. They got a bathroom. Yeah, here's a little campground here. Yeah, they have little campgrounds over here. This is real cool. You can camp over here in the rocks and stuff. You can pull your RV here. They got fire pits and stuff. I keep killing bugs with my windscreen, and I'm not even going that fast. Yeah, they got cool little campgrounds here. They're real small. They don't really have any electrical connectings or anything, but they're really cool. And there is a bathroom here that I am going to use. So I really got to use the bathroom. So, yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm just like up in the mountains somewhere. I don't know where I'm at. Pull straight up to the bathroom. Pull straight up like a bus. Woo, it's cold. Cold and windy out here. It's making me want to use the bathroom even more. Woo wee. Wow. Got a camper here. I wonder, how do you reserve a spot here? Or do you have to reserve a spot here? Because this is a pretty cool spot. They have water here. And yeah, this is a pretty dope, small but really cool camping area. I like it. It's cute. So you can see my speedo is bouncing from 49 to 50 because the Regen. So I'm rolling on, and when I roll off, see, watch, it's gonna go up to 50 because we're going downhill. Wait a minute, it will. It'll eventually, see, it went back up to 50. That's sorcery. That is sorcery. How do you ride something that fills itself up while you're going downhill? See how it went back up to 50? When I roll on the throttle, see, once it goes to 49, but when I roll off, look how it goes back to 50. went back up to 50. And then not only that, but my range is just going up and up and up and up. That's the cool thing about these electric bikes. When you come from somewhere that's high altitude and you come back down, you don't really use that much battery. In some cases, if it's steep enough and high enough, you're gonna pretty much come down with plus a certain percentage, depending how the ride is. So I just thought I would share that with you. So if you guys want to know something, I went over 20 miles and I used about I'll just say 7% battery maybe. And then I'm gonna work my way back to the house. You know, on the 210 West, like the GPS said, and we'll probably hit up a charge station and chill. Just an update, I'm in downtown at Whole Foods Market, and at 44-mile range, I didn't stop to charge or anything. I drove the last charge station 75 miles instead of, well, 46-mile range, and I'm gonna charge for free at Whole Foods, and I'm gonna go get a soup and then I'll be good. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna conclude this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, like, share it, whatever you do. Had a full-on adventure today and it was fun. Now it's time to go get that soup and chill for a bit.